Welcome students. In previous videos I have solved all the examples in practice set 3.12, 3.5. Watch that video again and again and practice the examples again and again. Then you will become this chapter easy. Now today we are going to solve problem set 3. And question number 1 is a very easy. It is a homework for you. Now let's solve from question number 2. Question number 2 is a triangle ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Segment BD, this segment, and segment CE are medians. Show that BD is equal to CE. BD is equal to CE. Now we have given segment BD median, therefore D is a midpoint of AC. Segment CE is a median, therefore E is a midpoint of AB. Therefore we write in triangle ABC, segment BD and segment CE are medians. Therefore, it is a given. Therefore, D is midpoint of AC and E is midpoint of AB. Now we have given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. It is a given. Let this is a number 1. We have given AB is equal to AC. Multiply both sides by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 AB is equal to 1 upon 2 AC. Multiplying both sides by 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2 AB is equal to AE and 1 upon 2 AC is equal to AD. This is from equation 1. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now consider two triangles, triangle BAD and triangle CAE. So in triangle BAD and triangle CAE, AB is equal to AC. It is given AB congruent AC. It is given. Then AE is equal to AD. AE congruent AD. This is from equation 2. Now angle in triangle BAD, angle BAD congruent in triangle CAE, angle CAE common angle. Therefore triangle BAD congruent triangle CAE. Now let's see in triangle BAD, AB then this angle, then this side, side angle side. And in this triangle CAE also side AC, then angle, then AE. So side angle side. SAS test. SAS test of congruence. Therefore, BD congruent C. Reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangles CSCT. Therefore, BD is equal to CE is proved. BD is equal to CE is proved. Now example number 3. In triangle PQR, PQ greater than PR and bisectors of angle Q and angle R intersect at S, then show that SQ greater than SR. Now let's solve this. In triangle PQR, ray SR is a bisector of angle PRQ and ray QS is a bisector of angle PQR. Ray SR is ray RS is bisector of angle PRQ. Ray QS is bisector of angle PQR. It is given. It is given. Therefore, and these two angles are equal. This angle SRQ is equal to half into angle PRQ, and angle SQR is equal to half into angle PQR. Let this is equation number 1. Now we have given PQ greater than PR. It is given. PQ greater than PR is a given. Now angle opposite to PQ is a PRQ. Therefore angle PRQ greater than angle opposite to PR is angle PQR. Angle PQR, angle PRQ. This angle is greater than this angle PQR. Reason is angle opposite to greater side is greater. Now multiply both sides by 1/2. 1/2 into angle PRQ greater than 1/2 into angle PQR. Therefore, now 1/2 angle PRQ is equal to angle SRQ greater than 1/2 angle PQR means angle SQR This is from equation 1. Now this angle is greater than this angle. Angle SRQ is greater than angle SQR. Therefore, side opposite to this angle, that is SQ, is greater than side opposite to this angle SR. Therefore, SQ greater than SR. Reason is a side opposite to greater angle is greater, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Question number 4. In the figure, point D and point E are on side BC of triangle ABC such that BD is equal to CE and AD is equal to AE. Show that triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE. Now let's see triangle ADE. In this triangle AD is equal to AE. It is given. Therefore triangle ADE is a isosceles triangle. Therefore these two angles are congruent, isosceles triangle property. But these two angles are angles in linear pair and these two angles are angles in linear pair. Therefore these two angles, we can prove these two angles are also congruent. So then we consider triangle ABD and triangle ACE. In these two triangles, BD congruent AC, AD congruent AE, and this angle is congruent. Therefore, according to side angle side, these two triangles are congruent. Now let's solve this example. In triangle ADE, segment of AD congruent segment AE, it is given. Therefore angle ADE congruent angle AED. Reason is isosceles triangle prop theorem. This is equation number 1. Now these two angles are linear pair. Now angle ADE plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. Also angle AED plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angles in linear pair. Now the right sides of these two equations are equal. Therefore left sides are also equal. Therefore angle ADE plus angle ADB is equal to angle AED plus angle AEC. Now let's see ADB, ADE angle and angle AED. ADE, this angle equal to angle AED, this angle. This is from equation 1. These two angles are congruent, therefore this will cancel. Therefore angle ADB is equal to angle AEC. Therefore angle ADB congruent angle AEC. This is equation number 2. Now consider these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACE. In triangle ABD and triangle ACE, segment BD congruent segment CE. This is given. Segment BD congruent segment CE is given. Angle ADB congruent angle AEC. This is from equation 2. From equation 2, these two angles are congruent. Angle ADB congruent angle AEC. Now segment AD congruent segment AE. This is also given. These two segments are congruent. Therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE. This is due to the side angle side. SAS test of congruence. So this is we have to prove triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE by SAS test of congruence. Example number 5. In the figure, point S is any point on the side QR of a triangle PQR. Prove that PQ plus QR plus RP, PQ plus QR plus RP greater than 2 PS. Now let's see, here are two triangles, triangle PQS and triangle PRS. So we write in triangle PQS, PQ plus QS greater than PS. Sum of these two sides is greater than this side. Reason is sum of two sides of triangle is greater than third side. This is equation number 1. Now consider triangle PRS. In this triangle also PR plus SR is greater than PS. Sum of these two sides is greater than this side. Reason is the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side This is number 2. Now add equations 1 and 2. So we write PQ plus QS plus SR plus PR greater than PS plus PS is we write PS plus PS, and reason is adding equations 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Therefore, PQ plus QS plus SR. QS plus SR is a QR. Plus PR means RP greater than 2PS. PS plus PS is 2PS. Reason is Q dash S dash R. We take sum QS plus SR is equal to QR here. So PQ plus QR and PR is written as RP greater than PS plus PS 2PS. So this is proved. Example number 6. In the figure, bisector of angle BAC intersects side BC at point D. Prove that AB greater than BD. Bisector of angle BAC is AD, and we have to prove that AB greater than BD. Now let's solve this example. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Reason is ray AD bisects angle BAC. This is the number 1. Angle BAC is bisected by ray AD. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Now, angle ADB is the exterior angle of triangle ADC, and exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. This angle is greater than this angle, and this angle is also greater than this angle. Therefore, we write angle ADB is exterior angle of triangle ADC. Therefore, angle ADB greater than angle CAD. Reason is a measure of exterior angle of triangle is greater than measure of its remote interior angle. But angle CAD is equal to angle BAD. Therefore, angle ADB greater than angle BAD. Reason is from equation 1, CAD is equal to BAD. Now in triangle ABD, in this triangle, angle ADB greater than angle BAD. Angle ADB greater than angle BAD. This angle is greater than this angle. So side opposite to this angle is AB. Greater than side opposite to this angle is BD. Reason is side opposite to greater angle is greater. Now question number 7. Segment PT is a bisector of angle QPR. A line through R and parallel to segment PT intersects ray QP at point S. Prove that PS is equal to PR. In textbook there is a correction. There should be a line through R and parallel to segment PT. We have not given parallel to segment PT. So there is a correction, parallel to segment PT in your textbook. Now let's see. This ray PT is a bisector of angle QPR. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. So, angle QPT congruent angle TPR. Reason is a ray PT or segment PT bisects angle QPR. It is given, and this is number 1, equation number 1. These two angles are congruent because ray PT bisects angle QPR. Now think about these two angles. Segment PT parallel segment SR or line PT parallel line SR and PR transversal. Then these two angles are alternate angles. So we write line PT parallel line SR and line PR transversal. Therefore, angle TPR congruent angle PRS. Reason is alternate angles. This is equation number 2. PT parallel SR and PR is a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are alternate angles. Once again, line PT parallel line SR and QS transversal line QS transversal. PT parallel SR and QS transversal. Therefore, these two, this angle and this angle are congruent. These are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle QPT congruent angle PSR. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. This is number 3. From 1, these two angles are congruent. From 2, equation 2, these two angles are congruent. And from equation 3, these two angles are congruent. So, these two angles are congruent. This angle is congruent to this angle, this angle is congruent to this angle, and this angle is congruent to this angle. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, angle PSR congruent angle PRS. Reason is from 1, 2, 3. Equations 1, 2 and 3. Now consider triangle PSR. So in triangle PSR, angle PSR congruent angle PRS. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, side opposite to congruent angles are congruent. So side opposite to this angle is a PS and side opposite to this angle is a PR. Therefore, PS congruent PR. Reason is converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Therefore, PS is equal to PR is proved. Question number 8. In the figure, segment AD perpendicular segment BC. Segment AE is bisector of angle CAB and C'(E')D. Prove that angle DAE is equal to half in bracket angle B minus angle C. In the textbook, students, it is angle C minus angle B. There is a correction. There should be angle B minus angle C. Now, ray AE is a bisector of angle CAB. Therefore, this angle BAE and angle EAC are equal. So, angle BAE is equal to angle CAE. Angle BAE equal to angle CAE. Reason is segment AE bisect angle BAC. Let angle BAE is equal to angle CAE is equal to X. This angle and this angle are equal. Let it is X. Now angle BAE is equal to angle BAE is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAE. Angle addition property. Angle addition property. Therefore, angle DAE is equal to angle BAE minus angle BAD. Therefore, angle DAE is equal to angle BAE is equal to X minus angle BAD. This is equation number 1. Also, angle CAE is equal to X. Angle CAD. Angle CAD is equal to angle DAE plus angle CAE. Angle addition property. Therefore, angle DAE is equal to angle CAD minus angle CAE. Therefore, angle DAE is equal to angle CAD minus angle CAE. CAE is equal to X. This is equation number 2. So adding equations 1 and to DAE plus angle DAE, angle DAE plus angle DAE is equal to x minus angle BAD plus angle CAD minus x, angle CAD minus this plus x and minus x cancel. Angle DAE plus angle DAE, 2 into angle DAE is equal to minus angle BAD plus angle CAD, that is angle CAD minus angle BAD. This is equation number 3. 2 into angle DAE is equal to angle CAD minus angle BAD. This is equation number 3. Now angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Reason is segment AD perpendicular segment BC. This segment AD perpendicular segment BC, therefore angle ADC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Now this angle ADC is a exterior angle of triangle ADB. Angle ADC is exterior angle of triangle ADB. This angle is the exterior angle of triangle ADB. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to this angle now. This angle, angle BAD, angle BAD plus angle B. Therefore, this angle ADC is a 90 degree. Therefore, 90 degree is equal to angle BAD plus angle B. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degree minus angle BAD. 90 degree minus angle BAD. This is equation number 4. Now, angle ADC, here we have to write the reason. Remote interior angle theorem of triangle, remote interior angle of angle theorem of triangle. Now angle ADB, this angle ADB is exterior angle of triangle ADC. This angle ADB, this angle is exterior angle of triangle ADC. Therefore, angle ADB is equal to angle CAD plus this angle CAD, this angle plus this angle C. Here is reason also. Remote interior angle of remote interior angle theorem of triangle. Now angle ADB is equal to also 90 degree. So 90 degree is equal to angle CAD plus angle C. Therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degree minus angle CAD. This is equation number 5. So we want angle B minus angle C. So subtract equation 5 from equation 4. So write subtracting equation 5 from 4. So B minus C, angle B minus angle C is equal to 90 degree minus angle BAD minus, in this bracket, 90 degree minus angle CAD. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 4, angle B minus angle C, and this term 90 degree minus angle BAD minus, in bracket, this term 90 degree minus angle CAD. Therefore angle B minus angle C is equal to 90 degree minus angle BAD minus 90 degree. This minus will plus angle CAD. Here minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree will get cancelled. So what will remain is angle B minus angle C is equal to, take positive term at first, angle CAD minus angle BAD. This is equation number 6. Now let's see, angle CAD minus angle BAD is equal to angle B minus angle C, and in equation 3 angle CAD minus angle BAD is equal to 2 into angle DAE. Therefore 2 into angle DAE is equal to angle B minus angle C from equations 3 and 6. Therefore angle DAE is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket angle B minus angle C is 4. So see once again, this AE is a bisector of angle BAC. Therefore angle BAE is equal to angle CAE is equal to X. Now angle BAE is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAE, and angle DAE is equal to X minus angle BAD. Also angle CAD is equal to angle CAE plus angle DAE, that is from this angle DAE is equal to CAD minus X. Add these two equations and get 2 into angle DAE is equal to angle CAD minus angle BAD. This angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree because segment AD perpendicular to side BC. Now this angle ADB is a exterior angle of triangle ADC, and angle ADC is the exterior angle of triangle ADB. So according to the remote interior angle theorem of a triangle, angle ADC is equal to angle BAD plus B. This angle is 90 degree. From this we find angle B. Also angle ADB is a exterior angle of triangle ADC. From this, by using property of remote interior angle theorem, angle ADB is equal to angle CAD plus C. Here angle ADB is 90 degree. From this we find the value of C. We want angle B minus angle C. Therefore subtract equation 5 from 4. So B minus C here, and this term minus this term, in bracket its sign will change, minus 90 and plus 90 will get cancelled. So what will remain is this term. So from equation 3 the value of this term is 2 into DAE, and from equation 6 its value is angle B minus angle C. Therefore 2 into angle DAE is equal to angle B minus angle C. Therefore 2 angle DAE is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket angle B minus angle C is proved.